Man, all I gotta say is, you know what? I think Mike and Wayne, it's Mike and Wayne's world, the leadership, the executive staff, all the leaders in the company. I don't even have a fair, all of them. Y'all just phenomenal. The whole nine, definitely my team, Your Nation, we're in the building. This is for you guys. Love you guys. My story real quickly, you guys, young top producer from another company. And met Carlos Rogers about 2.5 years ago. Okay? And got a call because they wanted me to recruit him into my deal. And right, listen. So what happened was, I said, man, this guy's not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere either because I got that deal. And I said, look, man, we both young. Let's just keep in touch, man. Let's travel the world. Let's just be friends. You know, and push come to shove, man, we got to just talking. We'll meet up in another city, have some fun, things of that nature. And we're asked about each other's business, you know, because business is business. He'll ask me about mine, I'll ask him about his, and you know, before you know it, I'm changing my whole tone up. I'm saying, you know what, man's not doing so good. Let's talk about yours a little bit more. And before you know it, was, you know, we looked up and I'm like, man, hold on, travel dollars, what? Travel, I pay for my own travel. Like, you got your company bought you a ring, I had to pay for my own ring. What's up with that? And, you know, just these major differences though, you know. And you know, before you know it, man, I was in the program and this young guy, man, Carlos Rogers, my sponsor, I love this guy to death. All I asked was for his support. And he supported me every step of the way. And I appreciate you for it, I love you for it, Donnie. Team Yin Young Entrepreneurship is here in World Ventures. We're proud to be here. We love the whole entire company. God bless you all. God bless World Vision. This opportunity.
Young Hunter.